Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Earners. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the reasons why your time on site is decreasing. So before we get straight to the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Even if you didn't click on the notification bell, please help me. I need subscribers, please. So before we get straight to the video, I just want to show you some of the airdrop I have been posting in my channel, my Telegram channel. Let me show you some of the proof. So you are missing so much if you haven't joined my Telegram channel. So if you see this airdrop this is the airdrop that I've participated, and this is some of the people that are in my channel, and see how many they are receiving. This is rally tokens. So as you can see here, did many of fake referrals and he have received it. And see another person that he have about, see he have $10. So he have 6 fake referrals. He have like about $70 or $6. And see another payment proof. Okay, so the token is increasing. Okay, so let's go to Lunarcrush. So when you enter your Lunarcrush, so some of these updates you don't need to people don't usually waste time on sites. So let me show you some of the reason why your time on site is reducing, or let me say your multiplier. Okay, as you can see, this is a multiplier. So I used to have like about 70, but now it's 45.9. so the reason is that I'm not usually waiting for like 1 hour. I just come and perform the opinions. After doing the opinions, I just leave, and every day I receive 1 Lunarcrush. So let me show you so that you can understand more. So if you checked yesterday, okay, I came and completed all my opinions. After completing all my opinions, time on site is just like if you check is 14 minutes. So I don't usually waste my time on site. You see 8 minutes. So that's the reason why if you check 4 minutes, that's the reason why your is reducing. Your tokens, your multiplier is reducing. So if you check, you don't need to like have 60 hours on time on site, or well, about, let's say the plan you're in, or let's say the profile student you're in, they might say 10 minutes, 5 minutes, okay, 30 minutes, 40, 50. So I don't usually wait for 50 if you're in the pro. So, and every day I receive my one Lunarcrush. Okay, so that's that for this. So let me show you some of my payment proof of rally token. Okay, many people have participated on this airdrop, but the airdrop have ended. If you haven't received your tokens, you may receive it in this couple of weeks. So me, I participated on this airdrop, but I didn't receive it. It took about 1 week before I received the token. Okay, so now I've logged into my account. Let's check the token. Let's wait for it to load. So if you check that I have received this token, let's go and check when I received this token. I received this token 18 hours ago. So if you have participated on this airdrop and you haven't received this your rally token, so you need to wait for like about 1 week, or join the Discord channel. Yeah, Discord, they have a channel in there. You can go and chat with them, and some of the members that have joined our group, you can go and chat there and then know more updates on the distribution. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to earn free crypto. Please, I really appreciate it if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, even if you didn't click on the notification bell.